We stand united with you to honestly and passionately provide the best learning experience for our students. The SAM franchise opportunity. It is not just about business. It is about your aspiration, your motivation to educate young minds. It is about us committing to helping you achieve that aspiration. We believe that educating children is a huge responsibility. It must be delivered with passion and care. We must inculcate a love for learning and discovery. It is our commitment to build a foundational understanding and to cultivate the most useful and relevant skills to enable young minds to excel in their future education. If you aspire to make a change, why not explore a new opportunity that will enable you to lead a more fulfilling life in empowering young minds to excel today? We want to share a passionate desire to educate children hand in hand with you, and the SAM franchise program is the right opportunity at the right time. The SAM approach to mathematics is a powerful and extremely effective 9-year program for children from the ages of 4 to 12. Our curriculum is based on Singapore mathematics, arguably one of the best national mathematics programs in the world. The unique syllabus focuses on the in-depth understanding and the application of mathematics in the real world. Children hone skills in critical thinking, heuristics, metacognition, analytical and reasoning skills, among others. We focus on a two-pronged strategy. First, children learn through our Worksheets Experience. Here, they are trained to self-learn and think independently through a comprehensive, structured, and progressive daily worksheets program. Second, children learn through our classroom experience. This is where SAM trainers reinforce learning through a combination of games, exercises, and illustrations.
We want to give every child an opportunity to benefit from the world's best mathematics program, and we want to deliver it efficiently and effectively through our franchisees.
As a SAM franchisee, you can be assured that we feature not just an outstanding math program, but also a comprehensive franchise system with a full suite of operational and branding support services to help you succeed. We developed a simple yet profitable franchise model that provides genuine value to our target customers, all for just a small investment capital. As a franchisee, you can manage your trainers and student activities anywhere and anytime with the Octal Trainers Management System. With the eColb administration system, you can save time in administration work, allowing you to focus on bringing value to the parents and children you serve. At the macro level, we provide support in branding, marketing, and strategic advice. We are in this business with you. It is our corporate culture to listen and constantly improve. Your aspirations are our aspirations. We succeed only if you succeed. With our franchise program, you and your loved ones can look forward to enjoying a financially sustainable business, a business that you can believe in and be passionate about.
SAM is a program in mathematics, but more than that, we are an opportunity for you to make a difference in educating young minds.